is actually a really exciting day because I have two shoots. One for a company that I work with quite often named Hinano. It's like a Tahitian clothing and beer company. So I have a shoot with them in the morning, and then after that shoot is over, I'm gonna go with the same photographer, Cody, to another shoot for an adventure wedding company. This is gonna be my first time working with them, so that's super exciting. They said that we're gonna go kayaking or hiking, so that definitely puts the adventure in adventure wedding. The wedding part, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm super excited. So I have my shoot makeup on already. Did it myself, thank you. Shoot hair, very fluffy and voluminous. Definitely gonna have to do touch-ups throughout the day because I have oily skin. But yeah, I'm super excited. Just got to the shoot. No one else is here yet. Early, first one here. Oh, and you can see, where is it? Chinaman's hat right there. Oh, the water is cold. Oh, the water is cold. I know. So today is actually my first day back to in-person classes. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm not very excited because the commute to campus is harder than it should be. Without traffic, I want to say it's about a 20-minute drive, but because traffic is a thing and it exists, it's about a 30 to 40-minute drive depending on the time of day and what day it is. Before I go, I have to put my parking pass decal onto my car. Well, it's crooked, but it works. I'm literally so lost right now, it's not even funny. I have no clue where I am. So I saw the parking structure. See, this is zone 19. I saw the parking structure, but I passed it. Like I didn't see an entrance. It was weird. It was odd. But I passed it and it went towards the dorms. And then I came back and I think I passed the actual entrance. And then I ended up here. So I'm gonna go back again. Ooh. I went too fast over that speed bump. This is such an issue. I'm actually so freaking lost right now. We're gonna go in a circle again. Or we're gonna, no, he's still in class. Wait, no, he's not in class. Okay, I'm gonna call my brother. I'm gonna call my brother. Update, I made it. Today is another school day. So exciting. Not gonna lie, I am exhausted right now. I actually got a good amount of sleep last night. I want to say I got about 7 hours. But the bags under my eyes go hard. I didn't have enough time this morning to do a face mask or a under eye bag mask. So I'm just gonna cover up all my issues in makeup. Today is a lot more busy for me. Yesterday I only had one actual class that I had to attend and then 6 hours of open lab, living that TA life. But today I actually have 5 classes, which sounds insane. It might sound a little bit better when I say that 2 of those classes are TA responsibilities. I assist in one of my coworkers' classes and then I teach my own class. So this is the finished makeup look. I decided to put some eyeliner on today and the freckles are out, so that's really fun, and I'm also late. So it is currently 7:10 in the morning and I'm going to school. Nah, I don't like the way that sounds. It makes me sound like I'm still in high school. Nah, it's 7:10 a.m. and I'm going to college, to campus. I'm going to campus. And I just wanted to show you guys the sky. Look at how pretty that is. Man, I wish I caught it a second earlier because it was a lot more pink. Anyways, my first class is actually at 1:30 in the morning. However, whoa, that was intense. 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm currently running on 4 hours of sleep right now because I was hanging out with someone until 2 in the morning, and then I woke up at 6:30. So that's pretty fun. I'm planning on getting to campus at around 7:40, 8 o'clock a.m. because I'm gonna go over to Starbucks and get just an unbelievable amount of caffeine so that I can make it through my day. How was dinner? It was delicious. It was delicious. I ate my entire bowl of ramen, and I don't usually do that.
Yeah. No, when you finished first.
I know, when I finished first.
Yeah, I was second place, but like, this is the winner here.
Decided to stay home and get some shave ice with my mom. So that's what we're doing right now. She's currently checking the mail. But I'll take you guys with me. It's actually my favorite bubble tea place on Island. Second favorite shave ice place. So that'll be very exciting. She did leave the door open, yeah. My Kuipo. Oh. Oh yeah, that is
You
cute.
need to get that.
Oh yeah. Do you like this color or do you like the other colors
I like this color.
the most? Okay.